Hello everybody. Till now you have seen what is an array and how to declare one dimensional array, how to declare two dimensional array, how to initialize everything, right? Now let us see a simple example on two dimensional array, that is matrix addition. So what is the basic rule for performing matrix addition? All of you know that in order to do matrix addition, always the order of the matrix should be same, right? For matrix addition, the order of the matrix should be same. That is, you can perform matrix addition only with 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2 matrix, or 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3 matrix, or 2 cross 3 and 2 cross 3 matrix. So the order of the matrix should always remain the same. So see, we can see what is the order here? 2 cross 2. Whereas what is the order of this matrix? 2 rows and 3 columns. So order is not same. So matrix addition cannot be performed. So let us take one example where our order is same. Okay. So let us take some of the elements. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So simple 2 cross 2 matrix I am taking. Okay. Let me take the matrix name as A. Okay. Let me take one more matrix as B. Take any elements. Okay. Now, how are you going to perform the addition of matrix A and B? How you are going to perform? So, it is what? First row, we have to add it with first row of matrix B, right? So, that is element 1 has to be added with element 4, right? So we can write the resultant matrix as C is equal to, what is that? 1 plus 4, right? Then how are we going to get this one? Next element 2 plus 5, right? So 2 plus 5. I'm just writing the simple matrix addition, right? 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, right? I hope everyone knows how to do matrix addition, right? So now let us see in array how to do this one, right? So we tell this as a 0 row and this as first row. Okay, this is represents the row. Let us take my index as I. Let me take in general my row as I, and this is column 0 and this is column 1. Okay, so I can represent my column by index as J. Okay, same way it is with here, right? 0 column, first column, 0 row, first row, right? So here also 0 row, 0 column, first column, right? And then here it is 0 row and then first row, right? So how do you get this element 1? By first row, that is 0 row, 0 column. So I can tell 0 0, right? 0 0 will give me the number 1. And how do you get 2? By 0 1. That is, we are telling that 0 row and then first column. Same way it will be here, first row 0 column, and this is first row, first column, right? So this is how we do. Same way here 0 0 you can write, and then 0 1, and then here 1 0, and then this is 1 1. So here how did we get 1? We just have to write 1 1 has to be added with 0 0. This position has to be added with 0 0, and this position is what? 0 0. Position is 0 0, and this position is 0 1. So how do you get 2 plus 3? That is by adding 0 1 and with 0 1. You can get 5 here by accessing B of 0 1, right? B of 0 1. Same way we can get 3 by telling A of 1 0. A of 1 0 will get me the element 3, right? So it is nothing but A of 1 0 I can tell. And then 6, how do I get? B of 1 0. B of 1 0 position will get that. So C of 1 0 will contain the addition of these two terms. Same way 4 we are going to get from here, right? So 4 I have to write it as C of, what is that? 1 1 I have to add 4 I'm going to get from that, and 2 I'm going to get from here. So this is the C position, right? I hope you understood. So it is just directly adding this first element with this one. So you have to just know how to access this particular element. That is nothing but 0 row 0th column. Okay, 0 row 0th column of B should be added, and it should be stored it in C, that is 0 row and then 0 column. Okay, so now how to write a C equivalent expression for this?